Is there a better way to make money online than by using your phone? How easy is it to earn $320 instantly on free? 10 minutes a day is all you need to start earning. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money instantly using a free app. All you have to do is download the app, learn how it works, and start earning. Watch this short video to find out how easy it is to make money with your phone. This step-by-step guide will teach you everything you need to know to start earning cash on your mobile device. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make more than $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below and tell me from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region, and if you have any questions please leave a comment below. Now, let's jump to our today video. There's an app called Neocortex that pays you for sitting around on your phone. You don't even have to work, it even calls it easy money. You do not have to have a skill to make money here, and you don't have to be some kind of expert. You will get paid to let this app use your smartphone processor while you're not using it. And don't worry. App don't have access to any of your personal information. Can't see your photos or videos, can't listen to your conversations, and don't use your precise location. App don't display ads. And don't collect information about you to sell to advertisers. It's that easy. The app use your smartphone processor when you're not using it, when your phone is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. So, it don't drain your battery or use up your data plan. All of this is absolutely legal, and it will generate you money in the background without you having to do any work at all, and it's working all over the world. All you have to do is download it on the Google Play Store. Unfortunately, it's only working on Android devices at the moment. For sure with Neocortex you will not get so much money, but anyhow you can get some money in your free time. But if you want to earn more money and leave your silly 9-to-5 job, you will need other methods. What if I told you you simply can get $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day? Yes. Simply you can do. Ready to take the next step with us? Simply click the below link. I will share everything from the initial steps to the best methods for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.